Hi, this is Tom Terral, client advisor here at Flemington BMW in a beautiful 2021 BMW X5. And I'd like to show you a couple of interesting features about the optional parking assistance package. So most people purchase the parking assistance package because they'd like for this large vehicle to be able to both parallel park and perpendicularly park itself. We actually covered that in an earlier video, so if you'd like more information about that, please check out some of our earlier posts. But today, I wanted to show you a couple of other features about the parking assistance package that people may not even know that they have. When you engage the parking assistance program by putting the vehicle into reverse, this is what the computer screen looks like. And so it is showing us a backup view of the car and a top view of the car so that we can see if we've parked too close to other vehicles around us. However, people don't realize that there's some other interesting features about this. You can either touch the little picture of the car here on the screen, or using the iDrive controller, toggle it to the left, and it reveals some other choices. One being a 3D surround view camera. So this highlights the picture of the vehicle, and by twisting the iDrive controller, you can see all the way around your vehicle. So when you've parked next to someone, you could see if you've left yourself enough space next to the car next to you. You could also do the same thing by just touching the screen and have the image rotate around. Pretty cool stuff. Also, by toggling the iDrive controller to the left, we can also go to a car wash setting that highlights the front of our vehicle. So if we were driving into a mechanized car wash, we'd be able to line our tires right up with the car wash tracks. You can see as they move as I twist the steering wheel. Very helpful as you're trying to line up your vehicle into a mechanized car wash. Another choice, this particular vehicle is equipped with the optional trailer hitch. And as anybody who has a trailer, horse trailer or a boat trailer might tell you, there's a terrible sinking feeling that you have as you're driving down the road and you think that your trailer might be becoming disconnected from your vehicle. By clicking the trailer hitch view, you can see exactly where the trailer hitch is in the back of the vehicle. Obviously, I don't have one set up right this second, but you could see if there was some sort of problem, some sort of connection falling off the vehicle, chains coming off, things of that nature. Very handy, particularly when you're zooming down the road at 80 miles an hour. Anyway, this is just part of one of the many features that you can get on the 2021 BMW X5. For more information, please reach out to us at Flemington BMW.